How to change the startup sound in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll demonstrate the process of modifying the startup sound in Windows 11. To begin, you need to access the control panel by conducting a search. Once in the control panel, navigate to the power options, choose what the power buttons do. From there, proceed to change the setting, unchecking this specific option and saving the changes. After this, access the sound settings and enable the Windows startup sound, apply the changes, and close the settings. Next, open your web browser, copy the provided link, and visit the specific website to download the required file for Windows. Following this, open the File Explorer, locate the downloaded file, and proceed with the installation. Once installed, play the file to confirm the new startup sound, and if satisfied, replace the existing Windows startup sound file with a new one and taste it by playing. Upon successful tasting, exit the settings and restart your device to apply the changes. This method allows you to customize startup sound in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.